Hi everyone! When you're going to convert carpet stairs to laminate, you have to do something with carpet nose. So we have two options. First of all, we can build it out. What it means? So we have to put plywood under stair nose and make it flat. Another option, we can cut off this nose. What benefits you will get when you cut nose? You save money. Your question, why I can save money? You see? So when you cut nose, you need only just cut it. But if you want to build out, you have to buy plywood. Plywood now not cheap. You have to use screws, you have to use nails, you have to use glue, and also you have to spend time to match the how wide you have to build. You have to use different size of plywood, I mean thickness. Here is the very easiest way how to prepare. You need to any saw, hand saw, and you need tape measure and chalk line. So easy. No, vacuum as well, for sure. So I'm using to cut this nose. Very nice saw. It's called Rockwell Versacat. This saw is the most of my lovely tool, because this saw very good collect dust, and blade very narrow and sharp. So when I cut the stair nose, there is a lot of staples, and this saw very easy cut the staples, and also dust. No anyone like when it's, you know, when you cut some wood inside the house, when it's dust spread around the house. You see, when I cut it, connect this saw to the vacuum, no dust. So maybe some little, but it's really nice dust collection. So, and depth of this blade enough to cut this nose. For cutting the ends of this nose, I'm using DeWalt oscillation tools. This is cord free, very durable tools. It's not the best, but it's durable, because I am doing a lot of cutting during my job. This tools is really good. Here is I change view direction. Now we can have a look from the top how I prepare to cut this nose on the stair. So first of all, I'm measuring with tape measure. I lock tape measure, slide it in, and then make marks on top. So these stairs have a gap between stair panels, you see, and I can just hook the chalk line from the side and make a line. Sometimes it's very tight and you can't do it, so just use a little small nail, put it in, and then make a line and take this nail off. Also, I wanna say something about this tool, why it's also good, because when you're using big scale saw, if you don't have enough experience, it's too dangerous to cut it. But this saw, it's very safe. Blade inside and not going so deep. Also handle very comfortable, and if you have a look from top on that line what I cut it, you see how straight a line I cut. Not all tools make so nice straight line. I would highly recommend to have a look on these tools for your future. If you're doing some duo project at home, this saw it's really needed for your toolbox. Before, oscillation tool was very expensive to use. You know why? Each blade cost $30–40. When I start using it 10 years ago, maybe a little bit more, it was so expensive. Now you can buy blade very cheap. Like what last my purchase from Amazon, I bought 100 blades for $60. It's nothing. And when I am just cutting that nose and some staples on there, after few minutes this blade's already not sharp, very good. I'm just taking this off and use a new one. Don't worry about it. Okay, anyway, so what I'm doing now, when I cut whole noses, I'm just make more flat threads with grinder with turbo blade, and then the stairs ready for installation laminate floor.